As the world progresses, more things move, drop, shake. Today's shielding from impacts and vibration requires large volumes of carbon-intensive materials, such as foams used in packaging, shock absorbers in vehicles, and heavy reinforcements. We are here to change this. METAseismic creates acoustic metamaterials and innovative solutions that filter out all harmful vibrations. Our materials are ultra-compact, sustainable, and provide exponentially better protection than any existing alternative. We can protect everything from small fragile objects to electronics in cars, aerospace equipment, and large-scale data centers. Data centers currently spend vast amounts of energy cooling their equipment. This is costly and a high source of emissions. A technology that's revolutionizing the data center industry is immersion cooling. Immersion cooling submerges IT equipment in a coolant liquid that directly absorbs the heat from the electronics. It cools the equipment rapidly and effectively and also improves energy efficiency. But what happens to these systems during an earthquake? Hundreds of gallons of fluid slosh around uncontrollably, a huge risk for this expensive equipment. They simply cannot operate. Until now. Metaseismic materials filter out all harmful vibrations to prevent any damage, from a glass of water to a large liquid immersion cooling pod. In collaboration with the leading experts in liquid immersion cooling, Submer and Hypertec, METAseismic ran a series of tests to demonstrate how effective our materials are at protecting equipment in data centers. We designed a base to protect the large liquid immersion cooling pod, housing 40 servers and 250 gallons of coolant. When tested, it withstood the highest level of shaking of the Tal-Cordia GR63 standards, the equivalent to a magnitude 8.3 quake in 3 different directions. The result? Despite violent shaking, metaseismic bases prevented any damage to the pod and the electronics. The equipment continued to function optimally during and after the testing. METAseismic proudly stands as the first ever system certified for seismic protection of liquid immersion-cooled electronics. We are enabling this technology to be used in high vibration environments and earthquake-prone areas where it couldn't previously function. This is just the beginning of a new era for vibration-absorbing, sustainable, and high-performance materials.